Hey guys, I just want to do a quick update. If you follow my channel, you guys probably know I had a car accident about a month ago, and I promised to keep you guys updated. So now the insurance repair shop has confirmed it's going to be total. This leads me to want to talk about victim mentality, because normally when this type of stuff happens, people will play like a victim, right? They will be thinking, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? And they're gonna be in the state of sad, depressed. For myself, of course, I feel bummed out, but then because my conscious had expands, so I'm the one actually created this reality for me to experience, because I've been actually telling many of my friends, close friends, that I don't want to own a car anymore, because the fees, the registration, the insurance here in California is getting so ridiculous. It doesn't make sense anymore to owning a car. The car depreciates, it's not house appreciate. So I've been saying that, and now it happens for me, through me. I do see the opportunity that start showing up, the doors start opening. Just to give you guys a small context. Now I get to drive many different kind of car if I wanted to, because I'll be renting. I'm not gonna buy anymore. I'm not gonna own any car anymore. So now I get to drive this car. If you're on YouTube, you can see. And this is the car that I've been wanting to drive for a while, and now I get the chance to do it. So, victim mentality. Our society, our news, our media tend to want us to blame somebody when there's bad thing happen, right? And on top of that, they want us to fear. If we look into insurance, auto insurance, right? See, we pay a lot of premiums, monthly premiums, but at the end of the day, it's not even paying you back when things happen. But they sold you insurance based on fear, right? So be aware of your surroundings and not to hang out with victim people. The people in the golf cart saying hi. Yeah, I usually have a lot of friends that they are considered more victimize themselves, and I could see why. After I start expand my consciousness, I start awakening from my spiritual self. I realize this, and I start distant away from those people, even though they're my friends. I also start understand that I cannot help everybody. So, of course, I want to help people, but then if a person doesn't want help, no matter what you do, it's not gonna work. So just look around your circle of friends. Make sure you not have close friend that's very victimize themselves, have a victim mentality, victim thoughts, always think the negative of themselves, even though there's a certain group of people will always say, oh, this fortune or this luck or this opportunity is not for me. It's not for the people like us. And that's not true, because we create our reality, which means what you think in your thoughts, it materialize. Just like my incident with my car, because I've been saying it for a while. I don't want to own a car anymore. And plus, the car that I purchased was for work purpose to begin with. So now that car is gone, then it's time for me to look for new opportunity. One door closed, many doors will open. All right. So keep in mind, do not have any victim thoughts, victim mentalities in your conscious mind, because you're gonna create more. And just become an observer and see why this reality is happening to you, why you experience that. Then you will start seeing a bigger picture. Okay? Just like I moved out of Long Beach, California not too long ago. And at first it seems like it's a bad news. But look at now I get to enjoy nice view, more quiet neighborhood, no more homeless people, cleaner, not very toxic. People are nicer, people are friendly, people are calm, right? So it's all about your state of mind. It's not about other people, not about neighborhood, not about cities. Because some people might say, oh, that city is not for people like us, which is not true. See, people are enjoying their early evenings. So, that being said, if you experience anything negative, concern negative these days, I want you to write me a comment and let's share what your experience. And maybe I'll talk about it on the show here. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor, subscribe so we can share this energy, this conscious to more people, because we are living in this very low vibration, low frequency reality right now. And still 95% of people are still asleep. 95% of people are still defending the matrix. And most majority of people will think what I shared, what I said is crazy. So share your experience, share your story. I will read through all of them. Until next time, please stay safe out there and peace always within.